Hello, my name is Mladen, and in today's Vtool tips and tricks I'll talk about parameterized max. The scheme of the parameterized max is presented here, and in this scheme we can see that we have a ratio number of inputs, and each input has data width b. And by select signal, we select input value which we will pass to the output. So the most intuitive way would probably be to use genvar and generate block. By this condition, we will assign output value to the appropriate input value. But when we do this and when we try to compile it, we will see that this won't compile because of the simple fact that in the generate block is being executed in the build stage. And in the build stage, we don't have our finite design. Consequently, we don't have any blocks and any wires. So we cannot have signal values in those wires. But we see that here we are comparing our genvar to the signal value. And this is not correct. So we have to change the approach. The simple way to change this approach would be to define this 2D wire called impartial, to delete this condition, and instead of output value to assign impartial I to the appropriate input value. And by doing this, we see that we don't use condition where we compare something to signal value, and this is correct. And also we have to uncomment this assign, where we assign output value to the appropriate impartial value. This was the very simple way to overcome this kind of problem, and I hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful. Thank you.